What I tell you, for the culture!
We're starting the day off a little bit later than I expected because I had some editing malfunctions when I was editing my video. When I was trying to export it, 2 times the program like quit on me. I think it just had a brain fart or something. But now I'm gonna go look for a tripod for my camera at Best Buy. Are those yours?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's garbage only.
Who?
It's garbage. Why?
Are you sure it's garbage?
It's garbage. I think it is garbage. Why? Huh?
Are you sure it's garbage? Did you ask him if it was garbage? No,
What's up?
you didn't.
Huh?
I don't think you asked him if it was garbage.
I'm not listening to you, but because I know for sure it's garbage. You know? So you got a problem with that?
No, I'm just asking.
Okay. Alright. I'm not stealing it. That thing been sitting there for a week. You know, a week. 2 or 3. Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
I'm coming ask for something you don't even know.
I got this new hard drive. It's portable, so I can, I'm uploading another video while I'm rendering it, so I can upload it later. Skateboard setup with my son, and now we're here taking it to the workshop area where I get down with the t-shirts. If you haven't already known, if you're brand new and you don't know, I make t-shirts and clothing. You can go check it out on the link below that I always post. You can help us out, support us. There's a shop now button. I really don't know how that works, but if you click it, maybe it will tell you how it works. So today is screen cleaning day. I gotta grab my stuff over here out of the car. Screen cleaning, and I gotta do a couple more sweatshirts I gotta get to, and then I gotta clean up the area because around this time, December, I slow down with the screen printing and focus on other things because we have a great humongous party in the garage out here with our family for Christmas. So around this time, we'll clean it up, and it doesn't look like a shop, it looks like a party place. So those are the goals today, is to get the, well, I have to clean the screens twice because I gotta clean them from last time, do the sweatshirts, then clean them again. That's not a big deal. You take this off. There's a graphic underneath here that's already been that I'm going to use right here, but I'm going to clean this side, and I'm going to keep this gray ink because I think I'm going to use it for what I have. So I'm going to set this on top of the gray ink can and let that chill, and then take this off. We have a homemade press, so I use clamps. I don't know if you can see me, but I know you can see this. I use clamps to clamp my stuff down, And you know, we have what do they call it? I forget. Something registration. Micro registration. I got that right here. It's called a door lock. I don't know if you can see that. I made my own micro registration. You feel me? And everything is done by hand. No automatic presses. It's all manual. Everything is manual. And now I gotta clean this. And this side over here is set up for skateboards. And this, ooh, go around this way. This, need it. Fucking A, sorry. I need to cut this down just a little bit because this is a little too tall. But this side, here, let's swing this over here so we can. This one right here is made specifically for skateboards because we clamp it right here and right here. Boom. And these things right here make it, when you put the screen on here, it makes it even on the middle of the skateboard. So from truck hole to truck hole in the middle of the skateboard, that prints it out right there. Bam. And I have a bunch of skateboards for sale still. If you're a skater and you want to support skater made, skater owned stuff, just hit the, you know, shop now button on the Facebook page, Crusaders Skateboards. I know you can't see me, but you can hear me. Alright, here's a hack. This one is soaking in the solution that I spray, and all it is goof off, whatever. This works as good as the other products that they sell for screen printing. You can click on my other video, boom bam, the card on the screen. It will show you how to use this. But my suggestion is, if you just have a screen printing press that like a tabletop screen printing press, and you only screen print once in a while, or you don't do that many shirts, and people are trying to talk you into buying cans and cans of that stuff, you can just buy Goof Off or Goo Gone, and it works the exact same way as the other screen printing, screen stuff. It smells better and it's non-toxic. And you can just spray it on the screen, and then I spray the back, and it doesn't take the emulsion off. Not at all. It's emulsion safe. It's safe on the emulsion. So that's how that works. I'll let that soak, and the next step is to go out and clean it. But you can go watch my other video on how to clean screens with Goof Off, Goo Gone, this stuff. My shoulders. I gotta turn them. I gotta turn my shoulders. So yeah, we did daylight. Something, yeah, it is almost fall back. So it really is like 5 o'clock. So, really it's, I don't know. All I know is it gets really dark real quick at night now. Let's see you go down the thing.
Which one?
I don't care, whatever one you want to go. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
This one?
That one right there. Do it. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.